Alam ako guys. Bombardilo. Wala, meron ako pang rin. Pero may 10% ako. This is I have step pati po tartaruga cisterna kasasito sa talito na may alien mutation tas diamond. Tapos turbo na gold at 4.92 gold. Labacas Saturnita na normal. Kakasito sa talito na may 3 mutation. Mateo, Taco, tsaka Spider. Tripitro Patripa na normal at may 2 mutation. Spider, tsaka Taco. Tripitropy ulit, tas normal naman mutation. Tapos, at aking third meron akong tatlo dito. Ito yung picture ni Machina na may 2 mutation, Mateo at saka Bubblegum. Yan. At ang aking bombi nito sa may 3 mutation. Taco. Tapos Bombardilo at Crab. Yan, 3. Laki na. Ito parang lost combination. Spiderinus pa parang lost combination. Sino naman? May Falling Star, Alien, tsaka Nalpats. 100 billion na agad. Oh, pagka-collect 10.56 trillion agad ako. I'm so close guys. 15 trillion para mag-rebirth ako. Yung malaking karakter. Si support to Sabi yan. Wait pala guys yung update natin for update mamaya. Ano yan, 5 AM ng gabi. Ay, umaga. Ayan, 5 AM ng umaga yan. Tapos wala pa din lumalabas na na magaganda. Tapos yung fish machine mo wala sa 4 days and 5 hours. Kaya meron ako. Mga importante na binili ko. Capital Call, Old Combo, Cafe Loop, Chaser, Bolt, Lusa, Redeemer, Toploader, Sentry, yan. Tapos, Noctiers. Ito pala Rainbow Sword, mga binibili ko muna. Sword, Body Shop, Slap, yan. Platter Slap, Paintball Gun, Heart Balloon, at Magnet. Yan pala meron tayo. Tapos, ang lahat ng mga pwede natin bilhin ay
nagbablog ka ba kuya? Video.
oh?
Nakausap mo lang sa
Kailangan pwede tayo bumili ng slap. An average hands to slap tips and send them flying. Yan. Speed coil, zoom around map with additional speed. Trap, place candy blossom. Sino yun? Guys. Ako lang basic ko guys. Wala ako na. siya guys. Ay, ito ulit tayo sa ano? Ay, baby iron slap that knock take time. Gravity coil, reduce gravity coil. Let's go jump. Let's try. B lantern, release beast to attack your opponents and invert their combos. Cold slap, powerful golden slap that knocks enemies partner back. Coil combo, speed and jump. Coil combo for double. Reach table, throw a table to flame player and return the barrier. Diamond slap, charge up a diamond slap to knock out. Grapple hook, swing across the map with speed. Taser gun, stun enemies with a taser to fling them and return your rod. Emerald slap, gem infused that slap that sends enemies flying with extra force. Basic cloth yourself to vanish and sprint at super speed. Tayo dito. Boom bomb, throw these two at ribs to make them dance. Ruby slap, ultimate ruby power. Slap sends enemies fly super. Reduce sa head, ito. Kasi ano talaga to? Totoo talaga tong tao. Turn enemies into stone and recover stolen brain rot. A dark matter slap. Send enemies flying with the power of dark matter. Slinger. Pull enemies and trap them close to you. Use this many ways to your advantage. Flame slap. Burn your enemies while sending them flies. Phantom Runner. This tool as decoy for another reason. All seeing sentry. Use this sentry torment as means of automated protection for you and your items. Nuclear slap. A radioactive slap it explode with nuclear force. Rainbow sword. It may shine like a rainbow but it strikes like thunder. Galaxy slap. Galaxy slap. Slap feature with star power, cosmic slash on every hit. Laser cape, puts on cape, shoots laser from ice, totally normal. Glitch slap, corrupt reality and unleash, don't take. Glitch with every slap. Bodies of position, switch souls, trade bodies and completion bows. Splatter slap, splash style. Paintball gun, a colorful weapon for playful defense and friendly battles. Heart balloon, press and hold to inflate the balloon and float higher in the sky. Magnet, use a magnetic force to throw your enemies off or to help your allies. Mega phone, mga ilang araw lang tayo, pero di pa yun. So, let's invite my friends to do the private server natin. Second is ito. Ayun lang, sila lang ang
Kuya, usod mo yung unan mo. Usod mo. Ano ba yan? Akin na lang yan. Turbo? 5M?
ayan, sila lang. Nilagay. Tapos ito, ang full video nito. Okay? Full video. 5.6 billion. 5.6 pwede na. Ito, 2 billion to. Ito na, 15 billion. 60? 7 billion. Ito na nga, 1 billion lang. Ito tayo. Ganun ko na, 11 billion. Mas magaling ito. 10 billion. This is for the end, guys. Bye-bye!